Hey everyone, I've just finished making this PowerPoint in response to students who struggle to visualize notes on the keyboard, or when it comes to theory, visualizing where notes happen in a scale. The way it works is, this is the home slide, and if you press the note, it'll play back the note. Like that, and then if you go to this little button here where it says Notes and Stave, it'll take you into a larger keyboard, so 2 octaves from middle C to the C 2 ledger lines above the stave. And the other thing that this does is it shows you where the notes exist on the stave. If you just hover over any other part, it'll go back to the empty stave. This home button brings you back to the home slide, and then if you press this menu button, you can open up the scales panel, and you can just click any scale to bring you to the appropriate page. The notes in blue are the notes of the key. The orange notes here are the roots of the scale. And then up above here, the image is of the chords in that key. You can X out of the panel by hitting the big X here, and then you're back to your home page. The link to download is on my Patreon page, so be sure to check that out if you're interested.